Mwaka umwe kuuma ngeithi cia gicicing'a kuhanika gatagati ka mutongoria wa bururi na mung'ethaniri wake Raila Odinga, gikundi kia Embrace Movement ngeithi igongona-ini gukunguira umithio uria nihetwo ni ngeithi ici bururi-ini. Akiri hindi igongona riri mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga augite we na mutongoria wa bururi muoroto wao ni gutigirira Kenya ni maikarani na njira ya thayo na manyitanira hari tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere.
Tukasema basi tuzungumze. What we call councils of goodwill, dialogue. And then we sat down and talked. Two people that you are going to deal with A, B, C, D, and you had identified. Then we can have something to bequeath the future generation, a country as united.
Akinyita baru merio na mutongoria wake makia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ni atogiritie Uhuru na Raila akiuga ngeithi icio ni coketie thi urugari wa kiuteti akiranira kumanyita baru gutigira thayo na urumwe no agashira bururi-ini.
I don't expect anybody to resist. You used to know, we used to say resist. Sasa ni embrace. I don't think there's anybody who will be opposed to a peaceful nation, coexistence, where brother is embracing brother and sister embracing sister.
Muikaririgiti wa kanjo ya magavana Wycliffe Oparanya augite ngeithi ici ni irehete uguni munene bururi-ini kuna arimi a mbembe na igwa ni mamukirite marihi kwa ihinda iraya kumana na uiguithanio uyu.
Sugar farmers who had their arrears have been paid. And some of those arrears were dating back to 2014. They were paid last week because of this initiative between the president and our leader here, Raila Odinga. Otherwise, those farmers would have not been paid.
Atogure na tetia gereme gwikinyitie guko na ni magathiririe ngeithi ici guku magikihoya kuri Raila na Uhuru na gutigira ni maturia ndugu iria mari nayo ihinda-ini riri.
100 chini ya 100 tuunge mkono Mheshimiwa Rais wetu na Mheshimiwa former Prime Minister kwa kuunganisha wa Kenya.
Hiyo handshake ndio imeleta amani Kenya yetu na ikafanya biashara zetu zitulie, maboma yetu itulie, masomo iendelee na Kenya iendelee mbele.
Tunataka kushukuru President Uhuru na Right Honorable Raila Odinga kuweza kuweka mambo ya handshake.
Gukiri ugo ndeto ine kureto hiuite ciande igenda mathia ungumania bururi-ini ndinaga kuyumiria atongoria makiuga no nginyagia ungumania horano na gukaimana bururi-ini. Hadini Hakameme TV ni njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.